Okay, number 3. Which of the following is the best names for the figure HIJK with the vertices? Same thing. We're going to find the lengths of HI. Let's go with the HI. The lengths of IJ. The lengths of JK. And the lengths of KH. We're going to find the slope. And we're going to find the distance. And remember, the slope is delta y over delta x. And the distance is going to be delta x squared plus delta y squared, isn't it? Okay, so to get from h to I, from -3 to 0, from -3 to 0, you're going up 3. That's our delta y. Our delta x, -2 to 4, you're going to the right 6, 3 over 6, which simplifies to a half. Use the 3 and 6 in the distance formula. Those 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, 6 times 6 is 36, 9 plus 36, your distance is going to end up being the square root of 45. Let's do IJ. From 0 to 2. 0 to 2 would be 2, wouldn't it? So IJ, the slope would be 2. And then from 4 to 3, you're going to go down 1. That's going to end up being a -2, isn't it? Use these numbers in your distance formula. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. This is going to be the square root of 5. Let's do JK. From 2 to -1. From 2 to -1, you're going down 3. And then from 3 to -3, you're going to the left 6. So that's going to be -6. Those two negatives will be a positive, and it'll simplify to 1/2, won't it? Notice the 3 and the 6 repeats, so the distance will be the same. Square root of 45. And then finally, KH, from here to here. From -1 to 0. From -1 to 0, you're going up 1. And from -3 to 4, or I'm sorry, -3, we're going to H to -2. -3 to -2, you're going right 1, which is from -1 to -3. I'm sorry, we're going from K to H. -1 to -3, we're going down 2, aren't we? And then -3 to -2, we're going to the right 1. And that's going to simplify to -2 again, isn't it? The 2 and the 1 repeat, so our distance will be the square root of 5. Notice the opposite sides are equal. That eliminates a rhombus and a square. But the opposite sides are diagonal, or perpendicular, aren't they? They're opposite reciprocals, so it's going to be a rectangle, isn't it? Okay, so remember, since the sides aren't the same, it's not a rhombus or a square. There's opposite sides, or the slopes are perpendicular, and the opposite edges are the same, so it's a rectangle.